My name is Shule. I'm representative of Benesta Acıbadem project. Our project located in Asian side, which is called Üsküdar. You can consider Üsküdar as a downtown of Asian side. We're pretty close to E5, which is the main highway of Istanbul, that it takes only 18 minutes to cross the bridge to go European side. One of the best thing about this project is location. Because as I mentioned before, we're next to the E5 highway, 10 minutes to Bağdat Caddesi, which is one of the most famous and luxury streets for shopping and having some quality time. Our project is surrounded with many facilities such as private schools, universities, hospitals and shopping centers. MR Square it's only 1 kilometer away. Akasya Shopping Center it's only 500 meters. One of the most unique thing about our project is Ben Leo Park. This park is 15,000 square meters, the 50% of the total project as a green area. There are many facilities that you can dream for. Also, we have Benesta Hub, consisting of cafes, restaurants, patisseries and some luxury restaurants again. Benesta Acıbadem, never done before.